In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify product page like a pro. Whether you're launching a new brand or enhancing your existing online store, getting the details right can make all the difference for your business. Let's walk through these steps together to make sure your product page stands out and functions seamlessly. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. You can easily do this by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your starting point, from where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now look to the left-hand side navigation panel and click on Products. This is where you will see all the products you've added to your store so far. Next, to add a new product, click on the Add Product button. This brings up a fresh page where you'll input all the important details of your new product. Start by clicking on the Title field. Think of a concise and descriptive title that clearly communicates what your product is. A good title helps customers find your product more easily through search engines. After that, move on to Description. Here, you want to provide a compelling summary of what your product is all about, including its features, benefits, and any unique selling points. This is your chance to connect with potential buyers on an emotional level, so make it engaging and informative. Once you have the basics down, it's time to add some visual elements. Click on the Media section to upload images and videos of your product. High-quality visuals can significantly enhance your product page, offering customers a more detailed view of what they can expect. Remember, a picture's worth 1,000 words, so make sure your media is clear and impressive. Next, you'll want to check the status. This option allows you to set whether your product is active and visible to your customers, or if it's still in draft form. A quick way to ensure that your products are only visible when they're completely ready is by carefully managing this setting. Moving forward, click on Publishing. Here, you can decide on which sales channels you want to offer your product. It's crucial to define this setting according to your marketing and distribution strategy, giving your products the optimal chance to reach your target audience. In product organization, you can categorize your product with collections, types, and tags. This aids both in managing your inventory and in helping customers navigate your site efficiently. Next, take a look at the inventory. This is where you ensure stock levels are correct and manage product SKUs. Keeping your inventory up to date helps in avoiding overselling and maintaining customer trust. Then there's shipping. Input details like weight and dimensions to ensure accurate shipping rates are applied at checkout, preventing any surprises for your customers. For products that come in different styles, sizes, or colors, head over to Variants. It's where you'll define variations, so your customers have all the options they need. Finally, don't forget purchase options. This feature allows you to set up subscriptions or recurring orders, offering more flexibility to your customers while increasing potential revenue streams. By carefully managing each of these elements, you'll create a highly effective, professional-looking product page that's designed not just to attract but also to convert.